Brian McLeod from HGR. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what we have going on in aisle 3. So let's take a walk and see what we got on some of the shelves. So we have a variety of stuff that we offer down this aisle. We have everything from pneumatic cylinders, to scales, to scanners. Let's see what we got down here. A whole bunch of vacuum pumps, different motors, variety of different pumps. We have some diaphragm pumps, gauges, tons of gauges. So something else that we offer in aisle 3, like I said, there's a variety of things, but we offer large valves, bray valves, butterfly valves, you might call them even. Different drum pumps, a little bit of everything. We have regulators, gas regulators, more motors. We have microscopes and scales. We have a plethora of everything that you can think of. There's a variety every single day. You never know what you're going to get. I can come down here today and find microscopes, come down here tomorrow and find pumps. What looks like this is a gear, some type of gear reducer here. And then on the same shelf you have sump pumps and a coffee maker. So you never know what you're going to find. That's the fun part about coming down one of these aisles, is it's almost like a scavenger hunt, and we'll have customers meander in and out of these aisles all day long with shopping carts, and they'll just fill them with random stuff. That's what makes it so fun. You never know what's going to be in here, and you never know what you're going to need the day you're shopping.